This Mercedes-Benz CLS was towed from Los Angeles. I was thinking of going to the underwater world. Take a look at the undersea tunnel. Suddenly lying down. The plan given by 4S is to replace the 4 shock absorbers together. Quote $17,800. So contact through the video below. Towed the car directly. When we disintegrate all the shock absorption, and it turns out the buffer is completely aged. It depends on how we fix the shock absorption. The master put the new skin. Use special equipment and peers to seize back. Can you give me a like and encouragement? Then assemble the repaired movements and cells. Tighten the screws. Check again. It's not leaked. Discuss in the comment area.